Hello, my name is Alicia. I wrote a poem for Women's Day with a little bit help from my friend Pauline. Happy Women's Day, women of the world. It is important that we have our say. Are we being heard? We must work together, make sure that with the great changes in the world today, women are not abused. Women of world, together we will change the world. We can do it together, fighting together in solidarity, working together with all the changes in our lives to bring equality to women. Women of the world, be strong and determined. Let us be ready to fight the world. We will never show weakness. We will never show fear. Challenge the bias. Women of the world, fight for freedom from fear. Women must feel safe when they are alone, walking the streets at night. Women must feel safe in their homes. Empower women. Women of the world, let us celebrate those women, those brave, important women throughout history, who have worked to lessen discrimination against women. Florence Nightingale, who helped the sick and injured. Women of the world, let us work together for peace, help those who need our understanding and compassion. Be unique in your own person. Keep in body and mind what you want from life. I know I am. Happy Women's Day.